If you've been in a situation whereby all of your skincare products finished at the same time and you had to repurchase everything at the same time, you guys, please send me money. Send me money. Like I said in my previous video, if you haven't done any unboxing video, like if you don't do unboxing video, have you started YouTube? Like, are you a YouTuber? You know? Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, Niella, and we're back with another video, guys. So today's video, just as the title says, is going to be an unboxing of some skincare products I got. For the most part, they are basically new, and the rest are just repurchases of some of my favorite items. If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Niella, just like what I said, and I create content around every freaking thing you see on this channel, so be sure to subscribe, turn on the bell so you get notified whenever a new video pops live on my channel. And if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for staying with me to this present time. You guys make this entire journey worth it. So guys, let us jump right into today's unboxing. So the first item we're going to be unboxing is from Paula's Choice Skincare, and this is how the packaging looks like. So it came in this really small box. I already kind of unboxed it on my Insta stories just to see, because this is kind of like the first time I'm shopping on the Paula's Choice website. I've always been eyeing their website, but I feel like most of their products are not kind of like for my skin type. That's what I feel, because I wanted to try the AHA BHA toner. I think that's what it's called, but I don't have like an acne prone skin, so I didn't really feel the need to purchase it, even though it was trending. Like, if you're not using that toner, then have you even started your skincare journey? So yeah, 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. Yeah, that's like they're trending, the product that everybody is raving about. I hope you guys can see it. They just put someone showing a 3 weeks result of how, you know, their acne cleared in 3 weeks or 21 days. Anyways, that's not the purpose of this video, and this is the purpose of this video. So this is the Paula's Choice Youth Extending Daily Hydrating Fluid Broad Spectrum SPF 50 with antioxidant plus soothing plant extract. It's water light fluid. It minimizes the appearance of pores, helps prevent UV damage and the signs of aging. At the back, it has the active ingredients: avobenzone, 2% octinoxate, 7.5% octisalate, 5%, octocrylene, 2%. So the uses, it helps to prevent sunburn if used as directed with other sun protection measures. See direction, and it decreases the risk of skin cancer. And it says AM. So I have been wanting to change my sunscreen from Neutrogena. You guys remember my last huge skincare haul, and I got the Neutrogena Hydro Boost sunscreen in SPF 50. This one is SPF 50 as well. And if not for anything, if you're looking for sunscreen, you should be looking for something with SPF 30 and above. So that's like the first one on my list. The second one is from good old Beautylish. You guys know Beautylish is where I shop for all of my Good Molecules products here in Canada. If you're in the US, I think you can shop directly on the Beautylish website and the Good Molecules website if you're in the US. So I haven't really opened this because I was kind of sure of what my order is. So the packaging is still the same way Beautylish packs up their order. It has the Good Molecules thing with this and another one. The main one that was used to pack. So this is what my order from Beautylish is looking like. I'm just going to come closer to the camera so you guys can see. So 3 things I ordered. I got my niacinamide toner, which is kind of like a replacement for my niacinamide. You guys know this is like literally the only toner I use for the meantime. I don't know why it looks extra big and heavy. Okay, and I got the hyaluronic acid serum. I think I'm kind of bored with the ordinary, and why I stuck with the ordinary is because I can easily get it from Sephora. So, but Good Molecules also has the big one, because the last time I shopped, which I'm not sure I really showed you guys because I was still on YouTube break, I got the big hyaluronic acid serum from the ordinary, but this is the bigger bottle from Good Molecules. Still the same packaging. I'm going to try to show you guys. So this is how much you get. I'm going to just try to leave the prices on the screen. This is 75 mils. I'm going to leave the price on the screen because, to be very honest, I can't remember how much I got this fruit. So I don't know, I just don't keep the price in my head, even though I tend to buy it all the time. And then the overnight exfoliating treatment, because I've run out of the one I usually use. I don't really use it all the time, because I mean, it's something that you can use maybe like 3 to 5 times in a week, or 3 to 4 times in a week, but I don't really use it up to 5 times in a week, or maybe 4 times in a week. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I don't know if you've been in a situation whereby all of your skincare products finished at the same time and you had to repurchase everything at the same time. So this is me. It was like I had items in my Sephora cart for almost a month without checking out. I had items in my Beautylish cart for more than 2 weeks without checking out. Like decisions, like, okay, what do I drop, what don't I drop, because the money was becoming too much. And I was thinking, okay, so do I order them in bits? Do I do the afterpay, you know, pay, buy now, pay later, something like that? I know Beautylish has that on their website, and so many other fashion and beauty stores have that. But guys, please don't ever wait for all of your skincare products to finish at the same time, because you're purchasing everything at the same time. It's not fun. Now, the last but not the least is items I got from Sephora. So for the most part, these are new items. The only thing I got from Beautylish, the items from Beautylish are items I have used in the past, and it was just like repurchasing them. First thing I'm going to be talking about is the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen. I have heard so much about this. I remember somebody recommending this to me in 2020. This or Paula's Choice sunscreen, but by the time I looked the money, I just told myself, no, just look for, you know, really nice drugstore products you can buy that is pretty affordable. But you know, summer is coming and you need to get like a lot of sun protection. You need to get a lot of sun protection on your skin. That doesn't mean you shouldn't wear sunscreen in the winter or spring, but this time I'm not going to play with sunscreen. So this is what it basically looks like. You get 50 mils or ml of product or lotion in this. So it has like a yellow cover, and I think you just, you know, open it and you squeeze out your sunscreen. It's SPF 40. It's water resistant, and I've heard and I've seen lots of reviews that this is clear in color. It feels good, like the texture feels like you're wearing a face primer from all of the reviews I have seen. But yeah, remember to reapply your sunscreen every 2 hours. So there's no, it doesn't contain any ingredient list on the packaging, even on the bottle. It just says the colorless, yes, it's colorless, weightless, scentless formula that acts as a makeup gripping primer for your face. It smooths the appearance of pores and leaves behind a soft velvety finish. So apply generously 15 minutes before sun exposure, and reapply at least every 2 hours. Reapply after 40 minutes of swimming. So these are just the basic thing, but it's no ingredient list on the packaging. So the next item I got is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Primer. I've heard a lot about this hydrating primer, that it's kind of better than the first one that came out. I got the really small one, the 15 ml, because I feel like if you know it's not really great for my skin, then there's no point. Like, I'm going to cry. I'm going to feel so bad if I had purchased the big one and I ended up not liking the primer in question. So this is what it basically looks like. So you get this is 15 ml, and the packaging is kind of like a very lush blue and lush pink and black. So I'm just going to be trying this. Like I said, this is just an unboxing video. I'm not doing any first impression. And the next item on the list, oops, it says hello sunshine. The next is the Inky List tranexamic acid. I hope I pronounced it right. Tranexamic acid night treatment. I've wanted to incorporate that into my routine, which I actually did with the Good Molecules Discolorating Serum, because it has tranexamic acid in it and a little bit of niacinamide. I think it has 3% tranexamic and 2% niacinamide, or 2% tranexamic and 3% niacinamide. But I decided to try one that has, you know, tranexamic acid. So it has 2% tranexamic acid, which helps to reduce hyperpigmentation as well. Tranexamic acid is good. You can use that alongside with niacinamide, or for me, I think at that time it was to switch niacinamide with tranexamic acid. Yeah. So it also has 2% acaberry extract, which helps to promote even skin tone, and 2% vitamin C derivative, which helps to brighten skin. So looking at the ingredients before I purchased it, I feel like, okay, this is really going to be great for hyperpigmentation. And I also watched tons of reviews again as well on YouTube, and then yeah, and this is like the first product I'm purchasing, or I'm going to be trying from the Inky List. I've seen most of their product range. It looks good. Some of the ingredients looks good. I was also supposed to buy the peptide moisturizer, but I told myself just chill, you know, because I'm looking for a new moisturizer. I want to stop using my CeraVe morning moisturizer. Now, the last but not the least, so this particular item I had put into my cart, taken off, put to my cart, move to Love, return back to cart, move to Loves, return back to, because Loves on Sephora is your wish list. Like, I kept on going back and forth because I'm like, do I really need to buy this? Do I not really need to buy this? So this is a Glow Recipe Fruit Babies bestseller kit. That's what it's called. The kit contains 5 different, and according to what I heard, the 5 products are sample size products, but they are reasonable sample size products that you know that you will kind of like use for a while to be able to determine or tell if you want to go for the full size product. So it contains the Watermelon Glow PHA BHA Pore Tightening Toner, which was kind of like the first thing I wanted to get, because I wanted to switch my toner as well. I felt like my niacinamide toner has become used to my skin. It's so great. I love it. Like, I really do love it. All the toners I've used, this like by far the best. But I felt like I wanted to try something new, like expose my skin to more things. The second one is the Plum Hyaluronic Acid Serum. The next one is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops, and the second to last is Avocado Melt Eye Sleeping Mask, and the last one is the Watermelon Glow Pink Moisturizer. So let's open this hyaluronic acid serum. Okay, so this is what it basically looks like. You guys already know what hyaluronic acid does for your skin. So this is how much you get. This is 20 ml. This is 10 ml of hyaluronic acid serum. So you're just going to press it. The next one is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. I've also read reviews about this Niacinamide Glow Dew Drop, but I mean, anything with niacinamide, I think I'm just really very comfortable with the one from Good Molecules. So this is it. And the next one is The next one is the Watermelon Glow PHA BHA Pore Tightening Toner. So this is what it basically looks. So this is the reason why I decided to buy this whole kit, because the price of this entire kit is kind of like the price of the entire full size of this toner. But again, I'm like, okay, let's just try all of the products to see if there's anyone you even want to add to your skincare routine apart from the toner. If it works for your skin, that's why I ended up buying the kit. And this is the Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Cream. I've also incorporated retinol into my skincare routine, and it's been super amazing. And the last but not the least is the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. For me, I already said I wasn't going to get this as my moisturizer because I feel like it's just too pricey for me at the moment. Like, it's just too much for me to spend on the moisturizer at the moment. So I think I'm going to be doing like a battle between sunscreen, because I don't think I've done a battle of the sunscreens before. So I'm going to be comparing Paula's Choice sunscreen, Supergoop sunscreen, and the Neutrogena sunscreen. I think I still have some more of that. Yeah, I think I still do. Or just compare the Paula's Choice and Neutrogena sunscreen, and probably also do a comparison between the Good Molecules niacinamide toner and the Glow Recipe PHA BHA Watermelon Glow Pore Tightening Toner. I'm sure I did not mention that in the right order. So guys, that's basically everything I got from Sephora, from Beautylish, and from Paula's Choice. If you like to see a review or first impression on any of these items, do let me know in the comment section below. Have you tried any of these items that I purchased? If you have, let us continue the conversation in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Do have yourself a fantastic day. Bye guys.